Firewall to floor seam welded solid. Not the prettiest on top, but it looks like it penetrated well. See just a bit of a dimple all along the seam where I did it on the inside. So there you have it, guys. That's the floor pan install video. A huge step for this project. It's a big chunk of metal that got in the car. I've touched on a few other videos while making this one. There's the firewall install and the side cowl. So if you haven't seen those, check them out. It was kind of cool how we did the side cowl, and the firewall was such a huge step for this car as well. And they had to kind of overlap. So that's kind of the why I did the videos the same this way. I also touched on the US Cartool video. I mentioned how they suggested I weld the firewall to floor seam. So I did that in this one, but I also have a review video on the US Cartool Stage 2 chassis stiffening kit for this car. And the parts they're really impressive. I suggest if you're even considering doing subframe connectors or anything with these Mopars, or even some of the other cars, because they make them for Fords and stuff like that, check it out. Their stuff seems to be real good quality, and I get a pretty decent review on the unboxing video for that. But as far as this one goes, that's it for this one. The next step's going to be the rear seat pan. So when we get into that, I will have another video up for you. As you can see, the steam coming out of my my mouth as I talk to you. It's really cold right now, which is making it kind of difficult to get out here and do some of this stuff. But I'm going to get back on this car soon. And as I get the ball rolling on that, I will have more content for you. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks a lot. Like and subscribe, share the video, and throw a comment below. It goes a long way to help. Take it easy.